Good morning to everybody in the Caribbean. Last year and the year before, when we started with all the collections, we did different experiments. The first one was using the plants on the water by itself. The second experiment was using all the collections with different type of magic marker, shoe polish, nail polish, permanent marker, paint, all those type of products that will create a problem, and then we clean them absolutely perfect. Today, Wednesday, March the 2nd of 2022, we're going to start a process of on the water for 2 weeks, and the first collection is Ocean View, followed by laminates, 2 plants of laminates and 2 plants of engineered wood. In that way, after 2 weeks, we will see how the 3 products will compare. So, hold for a second. We start first with my 2 planks of laminates. We're going to do first the 2 planks of Ocean View. Okay. Remove them. Just keep the camera now, Jeffrey, please, on the pool. Okay, so those are the 2 planks of Ocean View. Now, the 2 planks of laminate. As you can see, laminate is a very light product, so it's going to be floating. And we're going to finish with 2 planks of engineered wood. We will be back in 2 weeks to see the results, and then we will continue with the next collection, which is rigid cord, followed by coastline, followed by Titan, and finally XL, Nuvelle XL. That will be the last collection. Thank you very much for everything, and I will see you in 2 weeks.